Trapped algae on rooftops in high climate areas is a very common problem. We're going to show you how to easily clean this algae from your rooftop, getting it back to its original luster. It's important when washing your roof not to damage it. For this reason, we're going to do what is commonly referred to as a soft wash. We won't be damaging shingles from climbing on top of the roof or directly blasting it at high pressures. For this roof cleaning project, we used a Landa HD cold water pressure washer, the original X-Jet pressure washing accessory, and Cougar Chemical RC1000 roof cleaner. We first pre-soak the roof with water to help the algae-stained areas absorb the roof cleaner. For this application, we used RC1000 diluted 1:5. Using RC1000 roof cleaner, we apply it to the area of the roof needing cleaned. By using the X-Jet, we did not need a ladder or heavy extension tools for applying the chemical accurately and evenly to the roof. After applying the RC1000 roof cleaner, giving it a dwell time of 10 to 15 minutes is key. For extremely stubborn algae removal, a brush on an extendable pole can be used for agitation without having to climb on the roof. After following the instructions with the RC1000, we rinsed all the chemical and algae from the roof and then let it dry. Here's some footage of the roof before we started the project. Here's some after cleaning the roof and letting it dry. For more information or products for getting your roof clean, call us or visit cougarchemical.com.